How many of you have been thinking about creating a passive income online but don't know what to do or where to even start? If so, you're at the right place at the absolutely right time. My name is Eric Souza and I am from Calgary, Alberta in Canada. As you can see, I'm traveling around the world and I'm going to tell you about an online training platform so easy. It's helping even 15-year-old kids earn way over $10,000 a month, and they probably haven't even hit puberty yet alone graduated from high school. Or you know what, it could even help someone that's like me, who has ADHD and dropped out of high school. This system is foolproof. This life-changing training was created and will be hosted by a man named John Crestani. His global community of students have achieved great success, and most of which started earning commissions within hours of implementing this training immediately as they learned. John Crestani is creating success stories with his online training on autopilot, with his students going above and beyond to earn themselves 5, 6, and even 7 figures or more from his training alone. Considered as one of the best training systems for generating passive income online, this is not something that you want to miss or can afford to miss. If you've dreamt of being the next success story, make it happen today and register right now. Don't waste another second thinking and not doing, which is what most people tend to do. So don't be like most people. Leave them in the dust. But don't just take my word for it though. Listen to what his students and the media are saying about this man right now.
I'm 15, and within one day, I've made my first commission.
And it's been a year since I haven't worked a 9 to 5, and I've been making pretty good, money now.
I am a single mom in Tucson, Arizona, and have been struggling to pay my bills, and now I have an internet business, and I'm so excited.
I'm freaking excited today. I got my first sale.
John Crestani, you've been featured in Forbes magazine.
And the best thing is you can work from anywhere, no matter where you travel.
I've really worked hard to create in my educational programs, creating a clear plan that people can follow, that's proven and can help them become successful and start making their first commissions online and learn business skills.
I love it because a lot of people do not know where to start.
Hi, my name is John Crestani, and this is your invitation to join a webinar that I'm hosting on how to create your own internet business from scratch that creates for you an automated passive online income.
Able to quit my job because of this mastermind beast right here.
And I made 5 commissions.
I just made my first online commission.
John, absolutely one of the best teachers there are.
If you're still earning an hourly wage or a monthly salary, you probably know something's very wrong. And it's because you're the part of a corporate system that's been designed and rigged against you to take your freedom and your time away from you like a slave. Now, if you'd like to learn how you can finally create the freedom that you deserve and join a community of internet entrepreneurs that are doing the same for themselves and learn how you can create your own online income, then register for this webinar today. Reserve your seat on one of the webinars I'm hosting this week. There should be a link below or a box somewhere on this page. See you there.